India AI's Impact Summit 2026. Artificial intelligence stands at the threshold of fundamentally reshaping human civilization, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. This technological revolution opens unprecedented opportunities for advancement across every domain of human endeavor, while profoundly challenging the vast foundations of society in an increasingly complex and evolving geopolitical order. For developing countries, AI offers an unprecedented opportunity to leapfrog traditional developmental pathways. The multimodal and multilingual capabilities of AI create new possibilities through which access to benefits can be made available at scale. As a result, AI is seen not merely as a technological advancement but as a strategic tool to enable inclusive growth and expand access to opportunities that have historically been out of reach for large segments of the population. Recognizing this transformative potential, the past 4 years have witnessed a remarkable surge in multilateral initiatives dedicated to harnessing AI's potential responsibly and equitably. From the G20 AI principle to the UN and Global Partnership on AI, resolutions on AI, the African Declaration on AI, and most recently, the Hamburg Declaration on Responsible AI. These efforts reflect unprecedented international recognition that AI's transformative impact transcends borders and requires coordinated global action. Despite these high level commitments, a fundamental gap persists between global aspirations and the reality on the ground. The global AI divide continues to widen, with AI resources and capabilities concentrated among select nations and corporations. This concentration fundamentally limits the development of social, cultural, and linguistically contextual AI solutions, constraining AI's potential to accelerate progress toward our collective development goal, especially for the global south. Simultaneously, AI's rapid proliferation across society is creating new challenges that demand urgent attention, disrupting traditional employment patterns, exacerbating existing biases, and driving exponential increases in energy consumption. These developments underscore the urgent need to move beyond aspirational frameworks toward concrete, measurable impact that addresses both AI's promise and its perils. The India AI Impact Summit 2026, announced by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the France AI Action Summit and scheduled for February 1920 in New Delhi, will be the first ever global AI summit hosted in the global south, building on the momentum of leading international forums such as the UK AI Safety Summit, the AI Seoul Summit, the France AI Action Summit, and the Global AI Summit on Africa. This high level convening marks a critical inflection point. It will strengthen existing multilateral initiatives while advancing new priorities, deliverables, and cooperative frameworks, moving from high level political statement to demonstrable impact and tangible progress in global AI cooperation. The summit charts a path towards a future where the transformating power of AI serves humanity, drives inclusive growth, fosters social development, and promotes people centric innovation that protect our planet. It also seeks to amplify the voice of the global south, ensuring that technological advancements and opportunities are shared broadly, not concentrated in a few regions. At the same time, AI's rapid proliferation across society poses urgent challenges, disrupting traditional employment patterns, exacerbating biases, and accelerating energy consumption. These developments highlight the pressing need to go beyond aspirational frameworks and deliver measurable, concrete impact that addresses both the promise and the perils of AI. The India AI Impact Summit will be anchored on three foundational pillars known as sutras, a Sanskrit term meaning guiding principles or essential threads that weave together wisdom and action. These three sutras define how AI can be harnessed through multilateral cooperation for collective benefit. The People Sutra envisions AI as a force for human progress, respecting cultural diversity, persevering dignity, and ensuring inclusion in its design and deployment. It affirms that technology must remain human centered, advance people first development while upholding safety, trust, and shared benefit. The Plant Sutra calls for AI that advances innovation responsibly, reducing its resource footprint while accelerating climate resilience and environmental protection. It upholds that technological progress must align with planetary stewardship, ensuring AI strengthens rather than undermines global sustainability. The Progress Sutra envisages AI as an engine for inclusive growth, aligning its benefits with global development priorities and equitable access to opportunity. It emphasizes democratizing key AI resources and applying AI to accelerate socio-economic progress across sectors such as health, education, governance, and agriculture. Building upon the three foundational sutras, the deliberation at the AI Impact Summit will be organized around seven interconnected chakras, areas of multilateral cooperation designed to channel collective energy toward holistic societal transformation. These seven chakras represent focused domains of international collaboration that translate the broader principles of people, planet, and progress into concrete areas of action: human capital, inclusion for social empowerment, safe and trusted AI, resilience, innovation, and efficiency, science, democratizing AI resources, AI for economic growth and social good. Each chakra represents a distinct yet interconnected sphere of multilateral engagement through which the transformative potential of AI can be harnessed to deliver tangible benefit. Aligned with the three sutras, together they offer a comprehensive framework that enables countries, international organizations, and stakeholders to coordinate AI development strategies that enable the maximization of collective benefit while still addressing shared challenges.